టెక్నాలజీ గురించి ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందన్నారు మంత్రి కేటీఆర్. కింది స్థాయి వరకు టెక్నాలజీ అందుబాటులోకి తెచ్చేందుకు ముఖ్యంగా 5 అంశాలు దోహదపడతాయన్నారు. మౌలిక వసతులు, మౌలిక సదుపాయాలు, వృత్తి నైపుణ్యతను ప్రోత్సహించాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందన్నారు. ఇప్పటికే తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం టీ ఫైబర్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని మొదలుపెట్టిందని, ఈ ఏడాది చివరి వరకు 10 లక్షల ఇళ్లకు ఫైబర్ కనెక్షన్ ఇవ్వడమే లక్ష్యంగా పనిచేస్తున్నామన్నారు.
Each and every person in government and each and every person in our society needs to understand that there are better ways of doing things, and technology is only going to help us, further that cause. But I think we'll need certain things in place to be able to ensure that the benefits of technology actually reach the, bottom of the pyramid, as we call it. There are 5 things I think which are extremely important, from the perspective of ensuring that the benefits of these technologies can reach the common man. One, of course, is our digital infrastructure. Today, even not just India, but if you look at the world itself, only 53% of the world today has access to internet. Now, that is something that absolutely needs to be, worked on by each and every government in their own respective countries and respective states. In our state of Telangana, we are, in fact, doing a very ambitious project called as the T Fiber, which aims to connect the 10 million households in Telangana by the end of this year. Now, that is a truly ambitious and audacious goal that we have set for ourselves. But I believe once it's done, each of the connection is going to be a 100 Mbps connection, and wiring directly into, every person's, every household's drawing room into their television set. Once your television set is connected by this connection, each and every television can be converted into a smart PC. Once that happens, you can redefine how you can, Rajan was talking about this new product, Misho, I think it was called, where every homemaker can actually start being a reseller. Now, that will truly amplify, this sort of access will amplify, what can be done in commerce, what can be done in healthcare, what can be done in education, what can be done in the sense of government to citizen services. All of these can be augmented. Now, the other thing I think that's extremely important is skilling. Now, while these technologies, of course, are out there, I think we need skilled manpower. And again, to promote the ecosystem and to ensure that the benefits of these technologies, again, reach to the bottom of the pyramid. As Rajan talked about, how 37 unicorns have come about in India in the last several years. Just AI and data sciences, according to a study that I've read recently, have the potential to unlock more than $500 billion of value in India. Now, our Prime Minister talks about a 5 trillion economy by 2025. Now, 10% of that can be accomplished by just these 2 important technologies. So that we as a government need to start working on a robust policy framework as well, so as to ensure that none of these technologies, again, compromise on the fundamental core values, of a democracy. Privacy and, many other such things that people are constantly worried about when it comes to leveraging new technologies. So a fine balance of all these aspects, infrastructure, skilling, ensuring that a robust policy framework is in place, and also ensuring that our investments in deep, technology, emerging technologies and the startup space continue to grow. I think a combination of all this is, what will ensure that the benefits reach the bottom of the pyramid.